In this Fiverr tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day just by offering 12 simple and easy Fiverr services or gigs that requires no technical skills, zero experience. It's completely free to start. These 12 easy Fiverr gigs are best for beginners who have not made any money on the internet before, and also for people who are looking for the easiest ways to making money online without any upfront investment. Don't worry about how possible it is to offer these services, because I'm going to show you a free software that you can use to do all the work for you. The best part about this method is it works worldwide, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end as I show you 12 best and easiest Fiverr gigs that can make you $100 per day online. Okay, so here am I on my laptop screen. So I'm going to show you the 12 easiest and best Fiverr gigs that you can use to make money online using just a free software. I'm going to show you the software as well, so make sure you stick around this video, watch it all the way to the end at least once so that you get the whole gist. So I'm going to get into the video by showing you the Fiverr gig number 1 that is best, easy, and you can make money with it even though you have no technical skills. Even though you don't make any money on the internet before, you can use this to make money on the internet. So the first gig we're going to be looking at is menu board design, like a restaurant menu or any other menus. You can use this, offer these services on Fiverr and make money online. And if you're wondering how to create one of these gigs like these people have done here, I created a video before about how to create a gig on Fiverr that you can use to make money on the internet. So check in the description. I'm going to link that video in the description below. So let's look at how you can design or how you can create this, or how you can offer these services and make money on the internet. So I'm going to copy this. Now let's head over to a website called canva.com. This is the free software design tool that you can use to design things like this menu, like this restaurant board menu design, and make money on the internet just by designing this for anybody who wants to design a board menu for their restaurant. You offer them these services using Canva. So let's paste this here and look at the template that Canva has, which you can use to make money on the internet. My internet is a bit slow, so let's wait for it for some minutes to load up. Now you can see these are the templates that Canva has. Some are actually pro. Okay, I'm on the free plan, but you can use this free plan to make money on the internet. Look at this. This awesome design is free. And this second one also is free. That means you can use these things. Let's click on this to see how you can customize each of these templates to make money on the internet. Look at this. You can customize it. Click on where it says customize this template, and it's going to open a page that looks like this. That means you can customize any and each of these templates to your own taste. Look at this. Beautiful design, beautiful template. You can customize this by changing this text on here or change the image here. If you go to the left hand side, you can see many other templates which you can just click on it and it will come this side, and you can customize it, change the text, change the font size, change the picture here, and you customize it to the taste of your customer that gives you work on Fiverr. So that's how you can make money online using this menu board design. The second Fiverr gig here is this viral YouTube thumbnail design. You can design thumbnails for clients on Fiverr and they will pay you. Look at what's happening here. This person is selling for $10 and she has had 108 reviews. This person is selling for $5 and she has had over 1,000 reviews. This person is selling for $5, this person is selling for $5 and several hundreds of reviews. This person $5, this person $10, this person $10, this person $5. So you can create these things using Canva also. You can just go to Canva, put in YouTube thumbnail design, and you will see templates that you can customize to your taste and offer it to your client as services on Fiverr, and make at least $100 every single day. The next Fiverr gig is calendar design. Let's go to Canva also to verify this. Let's go to Canva. I'm going to go back a little bit so we can put in the calendar design and see the templates that are available and the things you can do. Okay, we're going to put in calendar. Calendar designs. Now look at the beautiful templates that Canva has in stock for you. All you need to do is to click on any of these things, customize it, and you're good to go. The next one, the next Fiverr gig idea that you can use to make at least $100 on the internet every single day is YouTube banner design. YouTube banner design is the little bar. Let me show you my channel so you look. Is this little image right here that shows the banner, that shows my channel name, Don Strategy, my picture, subscribe button, and what my channel is about. So if you know how to create this, in fact you don't even know how to create it, because Canva is going to be your helper. You're going to use Canva to create this little image here, because there are different templates there. All you need to do is to customize it, put a picture, put your channel logo, your channel strategy, your channel what your channel is about, the subscribe button, or whatever you want to put there. Just customize the template that Canva has for you, and you can make $100 every single day doing just that. So the next one we have is LinkedIn banner / cover design. This also you can design it using Canva. So go to Canva. Let's click on Canva again to verify this. I'm going to search for LinkedIn. LinkedIn banner. Now Canva is going to load up different and several easy to customize templates that all you need to do is to click on them, customize them, put a picture on it or put your name on it, and you're good to go. That way you can offer these services on Fiverr and make $100 every single day doing just that. The next Fiverr gig we're going to be looking at is Twitter banner. They say almost the same thing with the Twitter banner, almost the same thing with the LinkedIn banner. So this one is almost the same thing. Just go to Canva, customize the templates you're going to see there, and you will see something like this. And if you're wondering how to create a gig on Fiverr, I will put a video in the description of this one where I walk you through exactly how to create a Fiverr gig that you can use to make money on the internet. The next one we're going to be looking at is Facebook page banner design. Almost the same thing with that of LinkedIn. So all you need to do is to come to Canva also, search for this, customize the template, and you're good to go. The next one. My internet is a bit slow, so let's wait for it to load up. The next one is a professional resume design. This also you can go to Canva. Let's copy this to verify this. I'm going to copy this, go back to Canva, and where the search icon means, I'm going to delete this and paste in this. Click enter. And here you can see several hundreds of templates. As you can see, 210,321 different templates. Now all you need to do is to customize it, put in your business name, image, whatever you want to put as your customer or your client's demands, and you can make money on the internet just by doing that. My internet is slow, and that's professional resume design. The next one we're going to be looking at is, let's wait for it to load up. My internet is a bit slow today. Business name. This is where you can come up with names for businesses. Businesses goes to Canva to ask or to give services to people. Anybody who can come up with a name for their brand, maybe they are creating a digital product, a SaaS product, or a physical product, or a software, or a website, whatever name they are looking for their businesses, they come to Canva and pay people as much as $35, $40, $45, $125 just for people to come up with business names for them, and they pay you this huge amount of money every now and again. So go to a website called businessnamegenerator.com. I'm going to search for that real quick so you can see what it looks like. Put in any name you like. Maybe the customer wants it's about law, or the business they want to do is about the weight loss or anything that has to do with losing weight or exercise. Put in keywords related to that niche, and this software is going to be giving you several names, several suggestions, which you can just copy, paste, and you will make money online, like $100 every single day doing just that. The next Fiverr gig we're going to be looking at is this. My internet is slow, so let's wait for it to load up. The next one is Pinterest pin design. These are easiest tasks that you can do also using the platform called canva.com. Go to Canva, search for Pinterest pins. Let's do that real quick. I'm going to search for Pinterest pin. Pinterest pin. Hit enter. And now you will see several templates. This has 11,900 over Pinterest pins that all you need to do is click on each of these ones, customize them, change the images or change the text, and you are good to go. The next one is business flyer designs. These are business flyers. When they have meetings or anything they want to do that requires flyers, businesses goes to Canva to pay freelancers like you and I to come up with these designs, and they will pay you as much as $25, $15, $15, $35 for every time you create these simple designs. And if you go to Canva as well, it's a pretty good design tool called Canva. If you go to Canva as well, copy business flyer designs, go to Canva and search for it, you will see that there are several templates that you can customize, offer it to your client on Fiverr, and make a huge amount of money every day, at least $100 every single day doing this business. Look at this. These are free templates that all you need to do is click on them, customize them, and you're good to go making money online on the internet. So that's it about this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification, because YouTube loves it when you like the video. Thanks to you. See you in my next video.